In addition to Merit's legacy of products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless, known as carbon press, copper press, and stainless press. While there are several methods to join pipe, industry trends are focusing on quality products that save project completion time and money. Press fitting systems reduce project costs by up to 30% due to labor and auxiliary material savings. Press fittings reduce the time it takes to install a system, address labor shortages, have reduced overhead, and are safe to use. There is no need to acquire an open flame permit with press fittings and valves. All that is required with a press system are the press fittings and/or valves, a press tool, and the accompanying press jaws and rings. Merit's stainless steel press fitting and valve, known as stainless press, is an innovative solution for stainless steel pipe installations. Stainless press fittings and valves are the most comprehensive offering for your stainless press applications, with over 350 SKUs. This system is suitable for use on stainless steel Schedule 5 or 10 pipe. Our stainless press fittings and valves, available in 1/2 through 2 inch, house a VIPR visual indicator press ring that is color-coded according to the sealing element. EPDM fittings and valves will have a green VIPR band for water applications. HNBR fittings and valves will have a yellow VIPR band for gas applications, and FKM fittings and valves will have a white VIPR band for industrial applications. The VIPR band makes it easy for the installer to identify any unpressed joints in the system, as the band can easily be removed after the fitting has been pressed. In addition to the VIPR, stainless press fittings and valves ensure that the proper fittings and valves are selected for the application by matching the sealing element, color coding on the box, the bag, and ring. For EPDM, all labeling, boxes, and the VIPR will be green. For FKM, all labeling, boxes, and the VIPR band will be white, and for HNBR, all boxes, labels, and the VIPR band will be yellow. Some of the other features and benefits include a 15-year limited warranty on fittings and a 5-year warranty on valves, 3/16 stainless steel for enhanced corrosion resistance, and IPS, iron pipe size. The leak before press system, LBP, is designed to leak before the fitting is pressed, giving a visual indication of a connection that has not been pressed. For more information about our stainless press offering, please visit our website or contact our team today.